If you're wondering how the powerful and luxurious 2023 BMW 7 Series was made, now let's get it on. But first, please like and subscribe to Free Documentary 24 and you'll have a fantastic and prosperous future. The BMW 7 Series is a full-size luxury sedan manufactured and marketed by the German automaker BMW since 1977. It is the successor to the BMW E3 New 6 sedan and is now in its 7th generation. The 7 Series is BMW's flagship car and is only available in a sedan body style, including long wheelbase and limousine models. It traditionally introduces technologies and exterior design themes before other models in BMW's lineup. And also the first generation of the 7 Series was powered by straight 6 petrol engines, and following generations have been powered by inline 4, straight 6, V8 and V12 engines with both natural aspiration and turbocharging. Since 1995, diesel engines have been optional in the 7 Series. Unlike the 3 Series and 5 Series sedans, BMW has offered a non-pure blood M variant, the BMW M760. 6.6L V12, at the time the most powerful BMW ever made. Not to be confused with BMW 760. 6.6 V12, which does not offer the same performance. The Alpina B7 G12 serves as one of the high-performance variants of the 7 Series. The 750e comes standard with all-wheel drive and features a turbocharged 3.0-litre 6-cylinder engine that's augmented by an electric motor. Together, the two make a robust 483 horsepower, and BMW estimates its onboard battery should be large enough to power the big sedan for over 35 miles on electric power alone. Almost any BMW has the potential to run for up to 200,000 or even 250,000 miles with proper maintenance, and there are always going to be outliers. Let's go further. However, one question that often comes up is, how many miles per gallon does the 2023 BMW 7 Series get? The 2023 BMW 7 Series boasts impressive fuel efficiency, achieving up to 25 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Power unit: 544 horsepower, 745 Newton meters. Top speed: 240 kilometers per hour, 100 kilometer per hour or 4.7 seconds. Range WLTP 625. Front electric motor: 258 horsepower, 365 Newton meters. Rear electric motor: 313 horsepower, 380 Newton meters.